This morning, we'll be taking a look at SKP Resources, a player in the Electronic Manufacturing Services sector or EMS. RHB Research calls it a safer bet amidst the pandemic. It kept its buy call and upped its target price from RM1.93 to RM2.05. The stock last closed at RM1.81. So SKP is expected to release its first quarter FY22 results at the end of this month, and RHB says the numbers should meet estimates while reflecting healthy top-line growth. Both quarterly sales and profit are expected to improve significantly year-on-year from the low base in the first quarter of FY21 that was affected by MCO 1.0. On a quarter-on-quarter basis, sales should normalize from the seasonally weaker fourth quarter of FY21, but bottom-line growth could be flattish as the previous quarter's earnings incorporated some one-off margin boosters and relatively low effective tax rates. Seasonally, EMS players tend to enjoy increased order volumes during the second half of the calendar year, and it's no different this year with the robust flow of orders SKP has received. But RHB warns the EMS players, including SKP, may not be able to reap the full benefits this round, especially if lockdown restrictions are to be further extended. Notwithstanding the near-term challenges, the research house believes SKP's growth prospects and outlook remain promising. It says EMS is one of the more resilient industries under the current lockdown environment, thanks to steady global demand and the cost pass-through mechanism, which should mitigate any rise in production costs. SKP is also scheduled to commence another 2 new production lines by the end of this year and the first quarter of 2022. RHB believes the resilience of the sector and the new production lines should propel the company's 3-year net profit CAGR to 13%. So what's the consensus? According to Bloomberg, there are 8 buys on SKP. Average target price RM2.22. The stock last closed at RM1.81, so that's a potential return of almost 23%.